discuss some of the effects that we have using a camera. So you all guys know I use my DJI Osmo Action 4 to shoot my videos. This costed me around 24,000 rupees and the memory card was around 1,000. I got a 128GB memory card. So see, whenever we are recording motovlogs, what is the most important field whenever we are showing our motovlogs? It's that cinematic view. The cinematic view that you get, the perfect motion blur. So when you want to achieve the perfect motion blur, or what all you need to do is decide on a frame rate. Whatever your frame rate is, you need to keep your shutter speed exactly double of your frame rate. If your frame rate is set to 30 fps, your shutter speed should be 1 by 60. If your frame rate is 60 fps, your shutter speed should be 1 by 20. It will give a very soothing effect to your eyes and make it feel more cinematic. So the problem lies where whenever we are shooting such videos, what happens if there is sun and if there is light, any kind of light source will get heavily overexposed. If I go in broad daytime in such a low shutter speed, definitely it is going to ruin my entire clip. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test some ND filters that I got from Amazon. I got the recent brand once. It costed me around 3,000 rupees and they're pretty good. So yeah, let's test them out and I'll tell you more about them. So when we are talking about ND filters, like I already mentioned, I got one from Telesin. There are 4 ND filters basically, right? You can read them, what is written on top of them if my camera focuses. CPL, ND8, ND16, ND32. CPL is just a kind of anti-reflective kind of lens, anti-flare lens you can say. ND8, ND16 and ND32. Higher your light source, higher the filter you go to. Like if you want to record in the mornings or in I think at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, you can use the ND8. At more light, when there is a bit more light in the source, then you can like choose ND16. But when it is heavily sunny, when it is like, you know, when your eyes can't open around, so then you can opt for ND32. See, ND32 is basically kind of sunglass for your lens. The way you wear your lenses, the same way our camera also wears those lenses. So yeah, let's go and test them out and let's see the results. It is afternoon, at this time it is 3:30 in the afternoon, so probably I'll be testing with the ND16 filter because it is not very sunny but it is not also very dim. So I'll be testing that and I'll be sharing the results with you as well. So see, these are the settings I'll be recording at. The video is set to be a 4K 125 fps video and my exposure controls 1 by 50 because I'll be recording at 25 fps and as I said before, double the shutter speed for fps, and my ISO is around 100 and 200. That is around how much light my camera is capturing. So yeah, let's go and begin the video. Okay, so here we are. शुरू करते हैं आज का. धूप कम होगा ये तो, मेरे को वीडियो लेना था, धूप कम होगा ये, बट देखते हैं तब भी आ ही जाती है, थोड़ी थोड़ी तो आई जाएगी. लेट्स सी. एक ट्रैफिक लाइट टेस्ट भी कर ही लेते हैं. हाउ डज इट लुक इन द ट्रैफिक ना. तो आई जस्ट कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करो कि मोशन ब्लर कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को. And the Hunter is grunt, dude. That's what made me feel fear. Fell in love with the bike due to this grunt. भाई इट्स नाइस. कभी भी ऐसे चल तो देख के So yeah, if you feel that this video has helped you in any way, please show some support. I create these videos with a lot of what we say hard work, and I hope this gets built to you. Share it with someone who is planning to start about motovlogging. And yeah, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow Homo. And my Instagram is, I'll be mentioning that in my description. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.